Roosevelt never heard me shoot my gun. Mrs. E. Roosevelt didn't even know I owned one. Somewhere between a cobblestone floor and a slated wooden ceiling, cuddle in my semi-automatic with a very fuzzy feeling. Oh, there's nothing like emptying a cartridge at the sun. America, 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 America. Oh, there's nothing like emptying a cartridge at the sun. Oh, we're born alone and then we're covered by my mother's kisses. The mind has already forgotten what the body still misses. Somewhere between the sticky floor and the cracks in the ceiling, cuddle in my semi-automatic with a very fuzzy feeling. Oh, there's nothing like emptying a cartridge at the sun. Oh, America, oh, America, oh, America, oh, America. Oh, there's nothing like emptying a cartridge at the sun. One more time. Oh, America, oh, America, oh, America, oh, America. Oh, there's nothing like emptying a cartridge at the sun. La la la, emptying a cartridge at the sun. La la la, emptying a cartridge at